Hi guys, welcome. Thanks for purchasing Fiorella's Make Your Own Pizza Kit at Home. My name is Al Green. I'm the general manager here at Fiorella Pizza Kitchen, and I'm going to walk you through how to make your margarita pizza. We're going to go through a few steps, so be patient. You can always rewind. There's also a little card that comes in your box that gives you steps. The first thing you're going to do is preheat your oven to 400 degrees and take your oven rack and place it at the very bottom. This is very important because we can't cook our pizza until our oven is preheated. So while our oven is preheating, I'm going to walk you through your next steps. So this is your pizza kit. It has everything that you need: your sauce, your cheese, your flour, your Parmesan cheese, your tomatoes, as well as your basil, and most importantly, your pizza dough. So now that you have your pizza dough here, you're gonna have one of these things, a little yellow cup. It's your semolina flour. So you're gonna take some of your flour and make sure you have an open surface, and you're gonna pour your flour right into the middle, just like that. Now that you have your flour in the middle, you just wanna make small circles and leave as much as you can. So once you get about that much, about 2 hand sizes, you're gonna take your pizza dough, you're gonna place it right in the middle. Now that you have your pizza dough in the middle, it comes in a circle. You wanna try to keep that circle. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take 2 hands, place them on the side, and turn. And then you're gonna take your other 2 hands, place them on the side, and turn. And as you do that, what you'll do is you'll stretch just a little bit and your dough will start to open up. Now, you're gonna pick up your pizza dough, lay it on the side, take some more of your flour and bring that flour back to the middle. Once you bring that flour back to the middle, you'll put your dough back on that flour. And that'll help you stretch the other side. And what ends up happening is you get some beautiful pizza dough. You're gonna take that dough, put it underneath your hands, and just go in small circles, just like that. Once it's in those small circles, we're gonna go to our next step, and that's getting ready to cook our pizza. But at the end of the day, you wanna make sure you have a beautiful circle, just like that. So. All right, now that you have your pizza dough, you're gonna get a sheet tray. Very important, because you're gonna lay your pizza dough on top of your sheet tray, and then we will start to put our toppings on our pizza. So you just take your dough, lift it up, put it there, and again, we'll bring that back so you can see. And this is the time you can take your dough, make it into whatever shape you like, make it into a dinosaur, into a square, into a castle. This time we'll make a nice little round dough. And it's our pizza sauce, comes in your kit. We're gonna dump some in the middle, about half of that cup. You save some in case you want some sauce later, or you can put it all on if you like a lot of sauce. This is what we like to call the drop in the water technique. If you drop a rock in the water, you make it have small circles until it stretches all the way across the pond. So press down and do a very small circle, and let that circle get bigger and bigger and bigger, and eventually you have sauce on your entire pizza, just like that. And now you'll take your shredded cheese and you'll sprinkle it wherever you like. Lucky for you guys, we gave you 2 of these so you can have a lot of cheese. And just continue. Now, once you have all of your cheese, you're gonna take your roasted cherry tomatoes that we roasted in the pizza oven for you. Beautiful cherry tomatoes. And you place them wherever you like. So you place them all around your pizza. And if you added pepperoni, we've got pepperoni here for $2. You want to add pepperoni, so make sure you get pepperoni. And then you place a pepperoni everywhere. You can make a smiley face. You can do whatever you want. It's your pepperoni. This is your pizza. This is your show. And then you can have a nice little smiley face, or you can just put pepperoni everywhere. And now you're gonna take your pizza and put it in your oven, and you're gonna put it there for 10 minutes. After that 10 minutes, you're gonna open, you're gonna pull it out and be very careful. You wanna look at the very bottom and make sure the bottom is cooked. If it's cooked all the way, take it out. If it's not, then you wanna put it right back in. And this is what your pizza should look like when it's done. Okay, so now that your pizza has come out of the oven, you're gonna take it and put it on the cutting board, because we wanna make sure that we cut our pizza. Again, we want some nice brown marks there. Underneath, we want beautiful brown marks there. And so what's gonna happen is you're gonna take your Parmesan cheese and we'll sprinkle it on top. And when you sprinkle your cheese on top, make sure you come from a high height. That way it spreads out and it goes everywhere. And you wanna make a mess. This is fun stuff. Now you have your basil. You're gonna take your leaves of basil and you're just gonna pick them. And as you pick them, what'll happen is they'll fall all over the pizza. You don't wanna use the stems, you just wanna use the leaves. And you pick them, put them everywhere on top of your pizza. If you like a lot of basil like I do, you can use a lot. If you don't like a lot, you can use a little bit. And we have a Parmesan cheese there. Then you're gonna have some oregano. That's also gonna come in your kit. You're gonna sprinkle that on top. And we're gonna cut this pizza two ways. One, if you have a pizza cutter, it's really easy. All you have to do is take it and go through. If you don't have a pizza cutter and you have a regular knife, what I want you to do is be very careful, but go to this side of the crust, right in the middle, hold your knife and then press it down, and then cut through. Hold your knife, press it down again, cut through, and then boom, your pizza's cut. And you can do that one way and make the sign of the cross, and we do it again. But if you do have a pizza cutter, just take this, go through, and this is your margarita pizza from Fiorella that you made at home with me, General Manager here, Al Green. Thanks for tuning in. See you later. Bye-bye.